People wonder why their slime won't work. Well, real slime has PVA and borax. These are the two main ingredients to make slime. So if the products you're using don't have these two ingredients, sometimes it's very hard to make the slime. But anyway, on eBay I was able to purchase real powdered form PVA. I put 4 tablespoons, which equals 40 grams. And in order to make slime, we have to get this into liquid form. So you take 2 water bottles, and I'm pouring them into a crock pot. And if you see, I have the crock pot set on low. This is going to, PVA, it cannot boil, otherwise it gets too firm. The crock pot's going to leave this so that it's just warm, but not boiling. And we're going to pour in, keep the water bottles empty, because when this is ready, we're just going to put these back in to the water bottles and label them. So I'm sprinkling in the PVA solution, and we're going to come back every half an hour or so and stir this. It's going to take a while, like hours, to get this completely dissolved. Once it's completely dissolved, we'll have half of our solution ready for making slime. I have the PVA in the crock pot. I've stirred it a few times, and it's not as gummy as it was before. I stirred it about a half hour ago and it was still pretty gummy on the bottom, but now it's dissolving. Feels like it's dissolving quite well. I'm just going to keep stirring this every half an hour until it's all dissolved. So the liquid PVA is completely dissolved. So now I'm transferring it to the bottles. Okay, now we're going to be working on the second part of our solution. We need the borax from powdered form to liquid form. So I have 100 ml of, which is 4 cups of warm water sitting in here. And I'm going to take, it says we have to get 50 grams, which I'm assuming is about 1, 2, 3, 4. So about 4 tablespoons, just over, equals 50 grams of borax. And we're going to dump this in warm water and we'll stir this. But once the water cools, we'll be able to put this in a bottle and we'll put this in a bottle, and then we'll mix it with the PVA, and I will show you some really easy slime. So I'm taking some PVA, putting it in there, adding some food coloring. Mixing in the food coloring, liquid borax, and I'm just going to use a drop of it, just a couple drops in the PVA solution. I'm going to add some more PVA. Adding some more PVA. The more PVA you put in, it seems to get a little bit thicker. Or is that not true? So we made a blue slime. The This is the blue. And this is the red. So after sitting for a while, put it down. It's much different than what you have over here. This kind of stuff. It's not technically slime, it's more like a flubber. But